Here I have Motorola Moto G Play 2023, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the Not Disturb mode on this device. Firstly, you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add what can interrupt Do Not Disturb. It could be people, it could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode, like you can select start days on which it will be active, start time, end time of the schedule. You can also set up default duration of Do Not Disturb, and you can also hide notifications, like you can only disable sound from notifications, or you can disable sound and visual, or you can customize for yourself what you want to enable, what you want to disable, and yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.